ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide.
Welcome back, everyone. What's the crack? Today's episode is the Greenpoint. Today's a good day to drink whiskey. Let's go. So for those of you watching at home, you might have noticed that I've been absent for a couple of weeks. It's because I run my own business, which is a cocktail caravan, which we go around weddings, birthdays, engagement parties, corporate events. It's been pretty busy lately. So today, back on the cocktails. This cocktail is another one from the Milk and Honey bar. It's a cocktail which is inspired by the Manhattan and Brooklyn cocktails. So, served straight up. It's gonna have whiskey in it. It's gonna be strong. It's gonna be good. So this cocktail's got 4 ingredients. We've got Angostura bitters, we've got a rye whiskey, we've got yellow chartreuse, and a vermouth Punt Imez. I think that's how you pronounce it. On a side note, apparently the world has a shortage of chartreuse at the minute. In Australia, they seem to have quite a lot of it, because this was not too hard to get. If I didn't mention already, this is episode 13 of the series. For this one, we're going to grab our mixing glass, and we're going to start off with 2 ounces of rye whiskey. I'm going to have to stock up on some more. We're going to go 1 ounce of Punt Imez. Nice new bottle. Lovely. This is a vermouth I've never tried before, so it smells very floral. We're going to go 1 tablespoon, or I'm going to go 1 teaspoon of yellow chartreuse. I'm just going to use a bar spoon, but kind of probably half of it. One dash of Angostura bitters. So if you're using a dasher bottle, it's 1 dash, but if you're actually trying to dash it out of a full bottle of Angostura, it's probably like 2 or 3. Whatever you call that. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then we're gonna add some ice and then give it a stir. Didn't really come prepared today with my ice bucket, so we're gonna have to improvise. I've got a bag of ice on the floor. But when making cocktails, sometimes you just gotta make do with what you've got. I'm gonna give that a stir for 15 to 30 seconds. Give it a little tasty taste. Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. All right, we're just gonna strain this into a chilled coupe. Make sure you get every last drop. In the picture in Steve's book, it says serve with a lemon twist, but it looks like that particular garnish is to be done with a channel knife. I didn't have a channel knife, so I just got a really thin strip of lemon. I'll just twist it around the bar spoon. Hopefully, good twist. And there we go, folks. The Greenpoint. Let's give it a little tasty taste. Very similar to a Manhattan. Don't know if it's the Punt Imez, but it makes it quite a sweet Manhattan. Could be the yellow chartreuse too. You get the little herbal notes through the end. You get the spiciness from the rye and from the Angostura bitters. It's pretty good. There you go, the Greenpoint. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.